Dear class 7 students, today we are going to read this poem Sympathy, which is written by Charles Mackay. But before we go into the poem, we first have to go through this warmer section. This warmer section contains a story about an old man and two boys. A thirsty old man is sitting beside the road. He says, "Water, water, water." Suraj and Ravi are friends. They hear the old man's cry. Suraj ignores it, but Ravi stops near the old man. He takes out his water bottle. He gives the bottle to the thirsty man. The man takes the bottle and drinks water. He thanks Ravi. Now, there are some questions following. Why does Ravi stops near the thirsty man? What do you think? Why Ravi stops? Definitely because Ravi felt something for the poor old man. Why does the man thank Ravi? The man thanked Ravi because Ravi gave him water bottle. Do you ever feel sorry for a person in grief? This question is for all of you, that ever in your life, in any situation, you felt sorry for other man, you felt like you need to help him. There must have been some situations in your life, and it is necessary. It is not necessary that this is only for the men, but for animals, you may have encountered some situations where you feel that you need to help animals or dogs or anything. Remember those situations and the feeling that you get at that time. Now we are going to the poem section. Sympathy. I lay in sorrow. Once the poet is in grief, deep distress, and in deep pain. My grief a proud man heard. Poet's grief a proud man heard. His looks were cold. He gave me gold. Means he gave him something, money, as a help. But not a kindly word. But does not speak any word of sympathy. My sorrow past. Poet's grief past. I paid him back, and then he paid the amount back to the proud man. The gold he gave to me. Gold means money. The money that the proud man has given to the poet. Then stood erect, and then the poet stood straight in front of him and spoke my thanks and thanked him and blessed his charity and give blessings for his help. I lay in want, in grief and pain. Again the poet is in the same situations of grief and pain. A poor man passed my way, and this time a poor man passed his way. He bounded my head. He bounded a cloth on his head. He gave me bread and he gave food to eat. He watched me night and day, and he taken care of the poet night and day. How shall I pay him back again? And now the poet is asking that how shall he would pay him back for all he did to me, what he has done to the poet. Oh, gold is great. And now the conclusion part of this poem is coming. Oh, gold is great. The poet is saying that gold, money is great, but greater far is heavenly sympathy. But a pleasing feeling is far greater than the money. There are some words which meanings are given. Spark is Old English word, means past of speak. Sorrow means grief. Distressed means in great pain. Erect means straight. Charity means something given to the poor as help. Watched means looked after. Payback means return. Heavenly means very pleasing. Sympathy means feeling pity and tenderness. And there are some of the questions following. Think and tell. In this part, answer the following question in word, phrase, and sentence. You may answer it orally. Who is I in the poem? Of course, the poet himself is I in the poem. Think and write section, where you have to write true and false for the statements. You can easily do it. Answer each of the following question in one sentence. And now you have some questions, you have to answer them in one sentence. Who did not tell a kind word to the speaker? Here a proud man did not tell a kind word to the speaker. In one sentence you could answer this. Answer each of the following question is not more than 15 words. Or there are some questions which you have to answer in not more than 50 words. You have to take less than 50 words. C section, which is word study. Match the words in the column A with their meaning given in column B. There are some words in column A: distressed, charity, blessed, watched, payback, heavenly sympathy. And there are some words in column B: supreme affection for others, return, kindness, suffering, savor, pain, thanked, and care for. You have to match these two words, like heavenly sympathy. The 6 number word in A column will be matched with the A number word in the B section: supreme affection for others. And payback means return, watched means care for. So match them. Look at the rhyming words given below. There are some rhyming words given in the C2 section: gold, cold, heard, word. And you have some other words given which you have to give rhyming words for. Pain, gain, slow, blow, sun, run. Like this you could easily answer them. Let's talk in pairs about the value of sympathy. You have make pairs of two boys or girls and talk about sympathy. Next section, composition section, where you have to write 4 or 5 sentences in sympathy is a virtue. You have to write a short note about this topic: sympathy is a virtue. F section is translation. Translate the following sentence into the Hindi. How shall I pay him back for all he did to me? Oh, gold is great, but greater far is heavenly sympathy. This is a paragraph in the poem, and you have to translate into Hindi. Activity. There are activity of group work. Discuss in your group on the significance of providing help to those who need it, and also list the ways in which one could lend to help to the needy. So you have to list some ways you could help somebody, and you have to give importance about what is the importance and significance of providing help. So this is it. I'm now going to provide Hindi translation of this poem. So please listen carefully. Look, sympathy means सहानुभूति. I lay in sorrow, deep distress. मैं एक बार बहुत कष्ट में था और बहुत पीड़ा में. My grief a proud man heard. मेरे कष्टों को एक घमंडी आदमी ने सुना. He looks were cold. उसने ठंडी निगाह से मुझे देखा. He gave me gold and मुझे उसने पैसा दिया. But not a kindly word. पर उसने एक भी सहानुभूति का शब्द मुझसे नहीं कहा. माई सॉरो पास्ट, मेरा कष्ट गुजर गया। आई पेड हिम बैक, और मैंने उसे लौटा दिया। द गोल्ड ही गिव टू मी, जो भी पैसा उसने मुझे दिया था। देन स्टूड इरेक्ट, और तब मैं सीधा खड़ा हो गया। एंड स्पाक माई थैंक्स, और मैंने उसे धन्यवाद कहा। देन एंड ब्लेस्ड हिज चैरिटी, और शुभकामनाएं दी उसकी चैरिटी के लिए, उसके दान के लिए। आई ले इन वॉन्ट, मैं फिर से एक बार ज़रूरत में पड़ा। इन ग्रीफ एंड पेन, फिर से कष्ट में और दुख में। अ पुअर मैन पास्ट माई वे, इस बार एक गरीब आदमी मेरे रास्ते से गुजरा। ही बाउंड माई हेड, उसने मेरे सर पे पट्टी बांधी। और ही गिव मी ब्रेड, उसने मुझे खाने को रोटी दी। ही वॉच्ड मी नाइट एंड डे, और उसने मेरी देखभाल की दिन रात। हाउ शैल आई पे हिम बैक अगेन, मैं उसे कैसे वापस लौटा सकता हूँ। फॉर ऑल ही डिड टू मी, जो कुछ भी उसने मेरे लिए किया। ओह गोल्ड इज़ ग्रेट, हाँ महान है पैसा, पर ग्रेटर फार, लेकिन उससे भी बहुत महान है इज़ हेवनली सिंपथी, यह सहानुभूति की नैसर्गिक भावना।